Hi, my name is Sydney, and this is my Weebly profile. On my homepage, I briefly discussed what you can find on my Weebly. That's kind of something that I like to see in the website, is exactly what I can do there. In my biography, I put another picture, just a very, very brief introduction. My hobbies, kind of the stuff that I saw on my previous professor's faculty information page. On my word assignments page, I put a few of the word assignments that we did on the module 1. I had a really, really hard time trying to embed the entire thing, so I found that I had to do it in separate chunks. It did not want to do more than one page for me. So I have the field trip permission, or the field trip announcement, I guess, the field trip permission slip, and then my lesson plan. Then on the Excel assignments page, it took me a few times, but I read some things on the internet that said to switch it over to PDF. So I switched it over to PDF. It doesn't look as cool on Weebly as it does on Excel, but we're going with it. My PowerPoint was actually the first one to go in, so it doesn't look too bad. Here's my web quest. It was a little bit trickier for me, but I decided to do one on base 10 and number line addition. It's pretty hard for me to know what grade level to go to, but I observed a second grade class last semester, and they were doing some pretty big numbers in second grade. On my welcome page, I just have base 10 and number line, like the title, the grade, just the things it asks for, basically. In the introduction, again, very brief. I don't want to sit and read a whole bunch of things, but I think that totally depends on the person. So I just stated that we'll be learning simple addition with sums up to 1,000. My tasks are, again, very straight to the point. They need to review, they'll answer example problems, and then they'll complete questions alone. For the process, I took a pretty different approach to it. I attached my video to a lesson plan that I've created in the past, just because for me personally, I want to see it done rather than read it all the time, so I just kind of wanted to throw a different approach in there. And here it pops up my video.
Alright, everybody.
On the evaluation, I basically set it up as the students completed all the problems, they completed some of them, or they did not complete any, giving them either 10 points, 8 points, or no points. But points, again, that's kind of dependent on what the teacher wants to do. In second, third grade, a lot of them don't really keep full point things. It's more like you completed it or you didn't. So I think that just kind of depends on the person. In the conclusion, I just did great job working through this web quest. Awesome way to go. We learned something new. And on the teacher page, I copied what I put in my lesson plan just in case somebody wants to read that. I put the Common Core standards because I think that's important. And then about the author, I just kind of left it as is, just because I'm me. And then the other examples page, I did what you asked, and I put the link to the Classroom Technologies video in there. And there it is, my Raptivity.
Cinnamon should help a lot.
And that about adds up. Thank you for watching.